For over 7 decades, the Chevrolet Corvette has been America's sports car icon, combining raw power, sleek design, and attainable performance. But now, in 2025, Chevy is looking far into the future with something absolutely mind-blowing. The Corvette CX EV concept, a fully electric hypercar that claims a jaw-dropping 2,000 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right, 2,000. This is not just a concept. It's a statement that the Corvette name will remain at the forefront of performance, even in the electric era. At first glance, the Corvette CX looks like it's leapt straight from a video game. Low, wide, and dripping with futuristic design cues, it's unlike any Corvette we've ever seen. The body features aggressive aero sculpting, sharp LED light signatures, and a canopy-style cockpit that screams racing DNA. Every angle of this machine is designed with purpose. Airflow channels, massive diffusers, and active aerodynamics all point to blistering performance on the track. It's a glimpse at how Chevrolet imagines its next-gen hypercar will look and feel in an EV-dominated world. But the real headline is under the skin. The dual-motor, or potentially quad-motor, electric powertrain is said to deliver around 2,000 horsepower. That kind of power places it right in line with legends like the Rimac Nevera and Lotus Evija, both benchmark EV hypercars. With instant torque and all-wheel drive, the Corvette CX EV could theoretically achieve 0-60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds. That's faster than any production Corvette in history, pushing performance into uncharted territory. And with GM's Ultium platform at its core, we can expect cutting-edge battery technology, high-speed charging, and the ability to handle both street and track duty. Step inside, and the Corvette CX concept takes things to another level. The cockpit is futuristic yet driver-focused, with a wraparound digital display, yoke-style steering, and a blend of carbon fiber and sustainable materials. It's stripped down for racing, but still futuristic enough to feel like a spaceship on wheels. This isn't just about luxury. It's about immersing the driver in a pure performance environment where every button, every display, and every sound is built around speed. Now, here's the catch. The Corvette CX EV is still a concept. It's not confirmed for production, at least not yet. But history tells us that when Chevrolet shows something this bold, elements of it usually trickle down into real cars. Whether it's design inspiration for the next Corvette CR1 or a blueprint for Chevy's first all-electric Corvette supercar, the CX is a preview of where the brand is heading. The big question is, are Corvette fans ready for an all-electric future? For many, the thunderous roar of a V8 is what defines the Corvette experience. But as EV technology evolves, Chevy is proving that silence doesn't mean boring. And in fact, the future could be even faster, sharper, and more thrilling than the past. So, what do you think? Is the Corvette CX EV concept the perfect way to carry the Corvette legacy into the electric age? Or does losing the V8 soul make it feel like something entirely different? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into the cars shaping tomorrow's roads.